Good morning, dear children and dear parents. Welcome to the class. Well, children, as we started with the second chapter, patterns, so do you remember what we did in the previous class? We studied patterns in shapes. So, what is pattern, children? The repetition of basic shapes is called pattern, right? And to complete the pattern, what we do, children? We observe the pattern what basic shape is repeating. Isn't it? What basic shape is repeating, and to complete you repeat the same basic shape, right? So what else we studied in the previous class? That in patterns and shapes you can get different shapes, or you can get the same shape but different colors, right? So when there is different colors, you have to see which color is repeating, which colors are repeating, right? So that colors you have to repeat to complete the pattern. Am I clear to all? So children, today the objective of the class is, today we will understand patterns in numbers and also where patterns you see in your surrounding. Okay? And one thing more, children, before starting with the book, I would like to tell you that whatever classwork I give you, do it in the copy, draw margin, write date, chapter name. Okay. Let's start, children. Take out page 18 of your textbook, write their date and classwork. Let's start with example 3. What it is written here, tick the picture that comes next in this pattern. One is done for you. As we know how to complete the pattern, right? So you observe the pattern and you have to choose among these two which will come after elephant. So you can see that two animals are repeating here. One is elephant and the other is zebra, right? So two animals are repeating here, children. So after elephant, what will come? Which animal will come? Zebra, right? So you mark tick below zebra. Done. Next you can see three basic shapes repeating here. First is pencil, second is brush, and third is scissor, right? So again, first pencil, then second is brush, third is scissor. Again, first is pencil, second is what, children? What will be second among this? Brush. So you mark tick below brush. Okay. The last one you see, children, all are butterflies, right? But there is a difference in colors. So first is brown, then grey, then purple, right? So after purple, which color butterfly will come? Brown. So you mark tick below brown. Is it done, children? Let's move to next page number 19. Let's start with example 4. Circle the figure that does not belong to each of the pattern. Which does not belong to the pattern, you have to circle that. Or you can say you have to circle the odd one. Okay. So in number B you see there is a star and triangle. So star is of yellow color and triangle is of blue color, right? But which one is the odd one here? You can see. We can see this triangle which is of green color, right? So you circle this. Circle. Done. Move to next. You can see this arrow. So this arrow is made of pink color above and below is white color, right? So where you can see the difference? In this fifth arrow where white color is above and pink color is below. So you circle this. This is the odd one. Done. Then you see the fourth one. What pattern is following here? Flowers but of different colors. So which two colors are followed here? Blue color and brown color. So which one is the odd one here? This yellow. So circle the yellow. Done. Okay. Now let's start with patterns can also be seen in numbers as shown. You can see here, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are numbers, right? From 1 to 10. So if the numbers are if you have to complete this pattern, children, if some of the numbers are missing here, what you will do, you will continue writing the numbers up to 10 to complete the pattern from 1 to 10. Okay, so you see here 11 to 20 again. So if some of the numbers are missing here, what you are going to do, you are going to put the numbers in serially. As you know that if 12 is not written here, after 11 what comes? 12, you know, right? So you will put the numbers in the blank to complete the pattern from 11 to 20. So you have to observe the numbers in patterns in numbers. Okay. So let's move to next, children. This is quite interesting. That patterns, can you say where you see in your surrounding patterns? Aren't we see on the floor tiles? If you see your floor tiles, there is a pattern. You can see either square size or rectangle tiles, isn't it? So that is also your pattern. So these are some of the patterns shown here of floor tiles. Clear? You see your floor tile, there is also a pattern. So let's move to next. Take out page 20. Now pattern on roof of monuments. If you visit any monument, if you see there on the roof, patterns are followed like this. So you can see the designs like this where they follow the patterns. These are patterns on the roof of monuments. Okay. Next is what, children? Patterns on sari borders. So you can see, if you see your mother's saris, so there are borders, right? So one sort of pattern is repeating there. So you will see one sort of pattern is repeating in the sari border also. Just see in your mother's sari. Okay. Next comes patterns on doors. If you see your door, children, one sort of basic design is repeating on your door. Okay, so that is even the patterns applies on doors. So next comes patterns on grill. You just see the grill of your window or of your main door. You will see this sort of patterns which is repeating, right? So these are the patterns you can also see in your surrounding. Am I clear? Let's move to page number 21, children. Let's do example 5. Complete the given patterns. One is done for you. So children, as I told you, this is pattern in numbers. So you have to observe which number is missing and what number will come in that blank. So first has been done for you. You just read after me. First 10, 20, 30, and here is a blank. So 50, again 2 blanks. You can see that here is a multiple of 10, right? 10, 20, 30. After 30 what comes? 40. 50, 60 and 70. This is how the pattern in numbers complete, right? Let's move to next one, children. You see 2, 4, 6, 8. As I told you, this is what, children? Either you can say these are all even numbers, or you can say this is your this is a multiple of 2, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 fives are, what will come here? 10, right? 10 in this blank. Then again 12, 2 sixes are 12. Then 2 sevens are 14. So in first blank will be 10 and the last one will be 14. Understood? Write down, children. Number C, you observe what pattern is followed here. First is 14, 13, 12. This is backward counting, right? 14, 13, 12. So before 12 what will come? 11, 10, 9, 8. So in first blank you write 11 and second you write 9. Okay children? So these are also some of the patterns. Also you can see in rangoli, mehendi, window grill, beehive, wall, tablecloth, shirt, floor. These are also some of the patterns you can see. Okay children? So today what we studied? We did some of the examples and also studied about patterns in numbers. Okay? So what you do children? You take out your copy, write down this classwork in your copy. Complete the pattern. You observe this pattern and do it. For this you have to draw margin, write date. Okay? So this is your classwork. Complete the work now. Thank you so much.